to stitch. You just need to buy a adapter. They have the Cheetos and the Oreo and the Hershey's. Why is it gone? Maybe down here. And going. Oh, the glow one is back. Oh, it's open. They don't have price. How much it is? How are the pumpkins price? Oh, this one is bad. Oh, this is... Oh. Oh, this one is already light up. And the citronella. Oh, I see something new. Oh, I never saw this one before. I'm so happy. They are. Oh, finally. Oh. This is black and the ultra black. The eyeliner and this is liquid eyeliner. I don't want liquid eyeliner. I don't know how to use that. Probably this. But I think I already have this. They also have the Guardians of the Galaxy. This is a complete one. That is so cute. And the ice cream. Oh, that one is back. Oh, they got replenished. Table runner. That design. Oh, they have this. They only have these, but they don't have the popsicle and the camera. Oh, that is too far. Okay. Oh, they have the heart one. They have the round, and that. Oh, complete. But they have the blue one. I got the red one. The bubbles. Especially, it's very hot. They have this charger, but this is for decorative, not safe for food. Not so many.